All right, when you get your graphics, you're gonna get a left side and a right side. I've already put that the left side on. And you go ahead and clean your headlight lens with a rubbing alcohol. That way you're gonna get all the dirt off of it. And you take your graphic, pull it off, and then I just try to position it right there in the center. Take your hair dryer and I'll get it warm. And then just kind of work from the center out. If it sticks down, you can easily peel it back. As long as it's not hot, it won't stretch. And basically what I'm doing is watching all the wrinkles, how they're forming, and try to work them out. You're going to get a few. It's just because this thing is so complex that the curves are. But that's what the heat's for. The heat helps it form around the curves. So there it is. And then I'll turn on the lights and then you can see what they look like.
Can't see it.
Gives you plenty of light, I think, at nighttime. And if you like the shirt that you've seen, that I have on, I have that on my Facebook page. I'll put a link below. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a comment. Thank you much.